Here we are at Astor Public School, and today it is Teachers' Day, and we have a few students with us. Yeah, what's your name?
Sir Tanishka,
Okay, Tanishka, you're in which class?
12th sir.
So it's Teachers' Day today. Can you tell me why we celebrate Teachers' Day and what is the significance?
Yes sir, it's actually celebrated in the memory of a second president, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was
Okay.
a teacher and he was an Indian philosopher.
So have you been celebrating it all along?
Yes sir,
your
all the
school?
years that I have spent in the school, I have always celebrated it, and it actually tells us that how important teachers are in our life. You know, they work the entire year to bring us good results
Okay.
and bring up as good human beings, and that this is one day that we try to give them something back. Obviously we cannot compensate whatever they have done because it's not in numbers, it's innumerable, it's uncountable actually, and it's very precious.
Okay.
But this is a small effort, small gesture to show our thing for them.
Any special teacher? Anybody who's your favorite teacher? All teachers are special. So if you take one name, the others might be angry. But anyway, is there somebody special? Somebody,
Yes, actually, physical education teacher Shivam sir. He's really nice. He's more of a friend, and
Okay.
my English teacher, my previous English teacher Anjali ma'am.
Okay.
So she has actually made me fall in love with the subject. So
Okay.
I
That's
really,
great.
I'm really grateful to her for that, doing
Okay, wow,
that to
that's
me.
good. That's too good. And what's your name?
My name is Khushi.
Okay, Kushi.
I'm in 12th grade.
Okay.
So yes, previously we celebrated Teachers' Day in a very, very cool manner.
Okay.
We had games for teachers. There were food for them. The management of the school.
Okay, one thing. जब हम छोटे होते थे, when we were small, we used to go and take classes of the junior kids. Do you do it? अभी आप लोग भी करते हैं ऐसा?
Yes, we do that,
Okay.
and it's just hats off to the teachers.
Okay.
The way they handle all kind of students, because no one is
So
safe.
last year, did you become the teacher and take classes of the junior sections?
No, last year I was in 11th grade, so I was the cultural in charge. I
Okay.
conducted the whole program.
Okay.
The 12th grade students,
They took the classes.
yes, they took the classes.
Okay. And what's your name?
Himank.
Okay,
I'm
Hemang.
in 11th grade.
You are in 11th. So you plan to take the classes next year?
Yes, I plan to take the classes next year and even this year, but the problem is with the pandemic.
Okay.
Like, we are facing a situation where we have to adjust with the teachers,
Right.
teachers have to adjust with the students, and as well as with the parents. At first, we had some problems with the teacher, like we needed to adjust with them, we needed to attend the classes and listen to them very carefully.
Right.
There were some students at first
Right.
who did not take it seriously, but right now, with all of the tests going on, with all the teachers,
Yeah, so all I'm trying to tell you guys is, हम स्कूल में होते थे तो हेड गर्ल होता था, हेड बॉय होती थी, हम स्कूल में इलेक्शंस करते थे. So what about Astor now in Corona, because Corona is there? तो अब क्या होने जा रहा है?
So we're grateful to the school. Actually, we thought कि we'll lose it this time.
Okay.
This year has brought a lot of surprises, not very pleasant to be very honest. But we thought we were going to lose it. But the school has planned for an online investiture ceremony,
Okay, that's
including
great.
online elections. So now we thought that it's the last year of school and we have lost the chance to become council members, head girl, head boy. But now the school has planned, so we are going to also fight for the posters, and it will be great.
So you are planning to fight for something?
Yes, I'll definitely be,
What are you
standing up
fighting
for
for?
head girl, because
Head girl.
it gives you
Why should
exposure.
you be made the head girl? Can you tell us? What's
Yes.
special about you which was not there in
Because
Corona?
I think I'm an all-rounder. See,
Okay.
I've been into sports and I was in 8th grade. I'm a national level dancer, and I, generally do debates and all. And yes, I have a good leadership qualities in me. So yes, it's basically all a mixed package I am to become a head girl, and that's just perfect.
Will you vote for her?
I'm
Or
standing.
You are also standing over
Yes,
there.
yeah.
Head girl.
So both of you are going to compete over there, and let's
Yeah.
see who becomes the head girl. So the next
Yes.
time I come, I think their elections would have taken place, and I'm very sure one of these two kids is going to be the head girl of the school. So we're going to take the interview of the head girl at the time. So I was talking to you, Himank, and and you also, Tanishk. Now it's a beautiful school you have over here, a lovely campus, and it's my first visit to Astor Public School, and I'm in for a big surprise. It's a beautiful school, lovely infrastructure, a great ground, and I'm sure, from what I've come to know, this is one of the most prestigious schools of this particular area, right? So now all I want to know is that what is the significance of this school in your life? Has it really benefited you? Are you happy? Are you not happy? Tell me.
Yes. So in last year, I was a new student here. I was in different schools
Okay.
in which I was from 12 years. So it was
Okay.
quite difficult for me to adjust. But
Okay.
the school gives me exposure.
Okay.
I developed my public speaking, debating skills, and I created that special bond with not only students but teachers.
Wow.
Teachers here are very friendly.
Okay.
We can really gel with them in a really good way.
Okay. What about you?
I have confided in all my teachers. I
Okay.
feel that I was not a very good student until I came here, to be very honest.
Okay.
I was actually, I was not a very good
So
student.
you
I was
feel
an
the
average.
school really helped you build
Haan.
yourself up?
Yes, it
So
has helped me to
being in 12th and you guys are going to be out next year, so I'm sure you're going to miss the school, is it?
a lot. We know that there is somebody to protect us when there are teachers. If we fall, if we do something bad, or if don't score well, we know there are teachers. But I feel like I cannot think of a world in which these teachers won't be there
Great.
to protect.
So, it's online education right now because of Corona. School आप लोग आ नहीं रहे हैं as such. कैसा लग रहा है? The school is not functional, teacher is not standing over there. Is it better? Do you prefer online education?
I definitely do not prefer online education. As in within school, we were used to having physical presence of teachers in front of us.
Okay.
They used to teach us on boards, using the smart class and everything. But even with this online education, we are very much comfortable as the teachers have taken it to another level. They explain us with their own
Or do
examples.
you still prefer कि teacher सामने होना चाहिए?
Physically, it's definitely a different experience.
Okay.
But even in this online, like ask your teachers, all of the staff has taken this thing so in a better way. Like I have listened
Who's your
from
favorite teacher? She told me her favorite teacher. Who's your favorite?
my favorite teacher is also Shivam sir, the physical
Shivam
education
sir seems
teacher.
to be the
He is
hero
an
over here, I
apple
think.
of
Everybody is
everyone's
talking
eye.
of Shivam sir. Yes.
He is apple of everyone's
He
eye.
is the apple of everyone's eye. So
Exactly.
3 student हैं और सभी के सभी कह रहे हैं शिवम sir. So I think I must meet Shivam sir, That's what I really feel.
Definitely.
Okay. So next year you guys are passing out. What do you plan to do?
I am planning to do journalism.
Oh, great.
So I want to go to Delhi University.
So you plan to hold the mic like me one day, right?
Yes.
Okay. What do you plan to do after school?
I really want to pursue economics and then find a job at United Nations.
Great. United Nations. Lovely dreams. What about you?
I would prefer going to NDA, National Defence
So you want to
Academy,
be-
or to Merchant Navy.
Okay. So you are very fond of the defense forces.
Yep.
Great. So you think India has a strong defense?
Of course it is.
Yes, so we are a great country, right?
Yes.
Great. So it is very lovely talking to these kids over here at Astor Public School, a beautiful school, lovely students, and they love their teachers a lot. And I think I'll roam around and see what is more to offer over here. मैं विवेक श्रीवास्तव, today it is Teachers Day, और आज मैं आया हूँ नोएडा एक्सटेंशन में Astor Public School में, a beautiful school, बहुत बड़ा campus, a very reputed school of the area. और मेरे साथ हैं इस स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर शर्बरी बैनर्जी. थैंक यू डॉक्टर बैनर्जी फॉर
Thank you very much.
थैंक यू. डॉक्टर लिख रही हैं आप, सो यू हैव डन अ PhD in what?
My PhD is in cytogenetics.
So we have a highly educated principal over here, and I roamed around your school. I saw it. It's a very great campus you have, and हम जब भी कहीं जाते हैं research करके आते हैं. So I think your school has grown in the last 6 years from very few students, और I think आपकी strength आज 4,000 touch कर रही है almost, and I think it is one of the most reputed schools here. So what is the magic that you have done?
No magic, it's simple teamwork, a lot of support from my management, and definitely a big team effort. My vice principal is also brilliant. I have a very good team of coordinators, and that's how it is. Parents also, without their cooperation, nothing can be done. So it's a triangle: teachers, students, parents. That's how we've come up.
Okay. So what is the vision for the future? I mean, before we go to Teachers Day, जिसके लिए मैं आया हूँ, विजन क्या है? 4,000 का फिगर आपने मेहनत से इतने छोटे टाइम में अचीव किया है. आगे स्कूल को कहाँ देख रही है?
I will not always go by numbers.
Okay.
Yes, I will stand where I am
Okay.
and maintain it to the level that I have reached, and of course soar higher with respect to the kind of children that I have. That means holistic development of the children and good human beings. That's what best I can think of. Yes.
So, I mean, Teachers Day, it's not going to be that great because of Corona and online education, and you are an educationist. So, first big question that I want to ask you is, which is, every citizen of the nation is thinking, should the schools be reopened or not?
Well, see, this is the new normal now, and the entire world is going through what we are going through here. So I guess we should not think of reopening school at the moment, but we can think of maybe another month or two and see how it is. Children can trickle in, maybe the senior children one by one, and let us see if we have a fixed system, for example, calling 10 children at a time, 20 children at a time from each class, and at least start with the practicals for the senior section before we start with the proper teaching methodologies. I think we can.
You can. Okay, so I mean, Aster is ready for any eventuality. आपका अपना सेफ्टी मैकेनिज्म है और आप तैयार हैं कि बच्चे भी आपके सेफ रहेंगे. टीचर्स डे पे अब क्योंकि the normal thing is not happening today, so what are you people trying to do? Something online? Any plannings? What?
Definitely online celebrations for the teachers.
Okay.
First thing is that they will not be teaching tomorrow.
Okay.
That's what best we can give them right now. Okay. Of course, they'll be missing the fun of being together here physically,
Okay.
but virtually definitely they'll all be together.
Okay.
Children will be celebrating in the classes with their own teachers, and then later on the teachers can have fun together virtually again. And they'll be missing the lunch which they otherwise have, a little bit of outing and all the dance and fun that they have, but definitely they'll be enjoying tomorrow.
Okay. And what about the teachers? It's an off because it's Teachers' Day, so they are going to enjoy on their own, in their own way. In Corona, everything is online, You are all teaching online and all the kids are studying online. Do you believe that online education is comparable to the traditional education that you have been doing for all these years?
Again, I'll tell you, this is the new normal.
Okay.
Yes, and there is no other option but online teaching.
Okay.
What best we can do here,
Okay.
right? Of course, physical teaching, you cannot replace it with online teaching, but under the current scenario, definitely online teaching has to be its best.
This is the best that
Yes,
is available.
best, yes.
Available right
And
now.
for this, we've trained our teachers a lot,
Okay.
On 20th, CBSE as well as the state government asked us to go ahead with online teaching, and by 23rd, after overnight training of the teachers, we started off. I think we were the first school here to start off with the online teaching system here. Now, after that, continuously we've been giving special trainings to our teachers so that they each time at the end of each training we've observed that the quality of teaching has definitely improved. Advantage, I would like to say, for the junior class especially, we follow a certain system in the school, and parents at home, for example, a simple thing like ABCD,
Right.
parents still know about ABCD.
Right.
We are teaching ABCD, right? So parents are confused, they don't know what to tell. Now when the parents are sitting with the children, when the classes are going on, for the small children, I'm talking about up to grade 2, where
Right.
they need to sit, parents know exactly what they are supposed to teach. So it is a very big advantage. My teachers are enjoying it because now they say that, ma'am, the parents know what exactly we are doing in school, and they are
Okay.
able to guide the children accordingly. Senior students, they've got used to the system now, so they are following everything in a good way. Everything is planned.
Okay.
Teachers are going ahead with the classes, and parents are also in favor of it now because there's no other option as simple
There's
as
no
that.
other option.
Yes.
Okay. And your long journey in this school and you have made it up. What was the biggest challenge you faced?
I would say, see, challenges are always there.
Right.
Okay. When I was here for the first time in the school, there were only 49 to 50 children in the school.
Okay.
Right? And the building was still under construction, so it took almost a year to get over. And my management, tremendous amount of support from their side to bring up the building and to provide all the facilities. Now, we were the only school here at that time with 1 or 2 more coming up. Now, we had to reach out to the parents to convince them that we are here. We have another branch in Greater Noida, a big one, which is doing wonderfully well there too, along with sports also. They're very, very good with sports, We have the best cricketer there. We have so many things there,
Okay.
So, from there, so we had to reach out to the parents, which was very difficult for us.
So, जैसा कि हम बात कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर बैनर्जी के साथ, एक शिक्षिका हैं, मोटिवेटर हैं, प्रिंसिपल भी हैं, सालों का एक्सपीरियंस है, पीएचडी है साइकोजेनेटिक्स में, बहुत मेहनती हैं। और जब हमने इनके बारे में सुना तो हमें लगा हमें इनसे बात करनी चाहिए। एजुकेशन को एक नया परिप्रेक्ष्य दे रही हैं, नए सिरे से। शी इज़ थिंकिंग इन अ वेरी न्यू वे अबाउट इट एंड इट कैन रिफ्लेक्ट इन दिस स्कूल इन नोएडा एक्सटेंशन। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस डॉक्टर बैनर्जी, एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली कम टू यू अगेन। थैंक्स अ लॉट।
Thank you very much, Mr. Vivek.